We are literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seams for me and completely done with this tote. So you can see how fast this goes. I mean, I think I could do this in less than an hour, really. And this is how long it's taking me just to explain it to you. If I were just doing it by myself, it wouldn't take that long. But so you have two sides. One I did without a pocket, and then one I did with the pocket. So this is sewn at the bottom here, and it's got that nice, and it'll fit my phone in it really well. Perfect. Love it. Okay. So now you're going to do this right sides together, okay? You're going to line up your tote, and you're going to do it right sides together, and you're going to do a seam all the way down here. You're going to sew this, and I would use a 1/2 inch seam allowance, which means your thread will be a 1/2 inch from the edge of the fabric. That's what that seam allowance means. And I would do this side, and you're going to sew all the way down there, and you're going to do a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Then you're going to line up the bottom, and you're going to sew straight across this bottom. You are ignoring these corners. You are not going to do anything with these corners. 3 seams, side, side, bottom. That's all you're going to do, and then we'll do the next step.